YouTube. It's me, Biggie. I just figured I'd do an unboxing video today on these wheels that I just picked up. They're the JNC 004s. They're an 18-inch by 9.5-inch wide with a 25 offset. So let's go ahead and open them up. So these wheels are actually going to go on my 2000 Mercedes E320. Probably going to be a pretty wide wheel for it. So these are kind of a mesh style wheel. There we go. Not too bad. Pull it out. Hopefully it'll sit up here without the box collapsing. So there you have it. 18 by 9.5. It's a silver center. And then it's got the polished lip. The machined lip. I don't know if it'd be considered polished. Maybe. They look pretty good. Especially considering the price on them really isn't that bad. Let's take that center cap off. Let's see what we got under there. So these are multi-pattern. They're a 5x112 and also a 5x120. They have a center bore on them of 72.6. So here's the center cap. The plastic cap. Show you the back side of them. They look pretty good. So they do have a 25 offset. So like I said, 18 by 9.5. Excuse me, with a 25 offset. And they are the JNC 004s. So my first impression of them, they really don't look too bad. I mean, you can tell they're a, you know, kind of a lower and entry level, I guess I should say, wheel. I mean, I look at the quality of these and compared to these, which are TSWs. These are the TSW Carthage. It's a discontinued wheel. That's a 19-inch on my E55. But for what you pay, I think these were probably double the price of these. So for going on my daily driver, I mean, you really can't beat the price of them. These are the tires I'm going to be putting on them. As long as they're not too wide. They're 235/40/18. They're the GT Radials, Shapiro's ultra high performance tires. So, you know, being a daily driver, I wanted to keep my costs down a little bit on this. But I will be doing more videos here in the near future. So if you liked what you see, you know, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more of my content, feel free to subscribe. And there you have it. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to put them